Today, we're diving into the art of fearlessness. Join us as we unpack Stoic philosophy, practical strategies, and Stoic mindset shifts to embrace fear, conquer challenges, and live life boldly. I know starting high school can feel intimidating, with so much change at once. But dwelling too much on what ifs breeds unnecessary worry, my friend. What matters lies in how you choose to meet each moment. Fear often seems to shout, while courage gently whispers reassurance. We must lean closer to hear. Anxiety may fill your mind with doubts, but your character holds power to persevere. We grow bolder through brave exposure, instead of endlessly waiting for confidence. One small courageous step, then another, soon striding steadfast down once frightening paths. Confront new situations as opportunities for positive breakthroughs, rather than permutations of impending doom. Harsh forecasters cripple themselves when favorable outcomes abound. You possess everything needed to adapt and shine. Don't block your light's trajectory by putting obstacles in your own projected path. Shadows ahead often recede upon stepping into them. I know it's easier to retreat than advance into the unfamiliar, but explorers seeking new frontiers must trek into the unknown, guided by their faith in latent abilities, proving mightier than specters spurring retreat. Analyze your fears rationally. Look at the true risks versus irrational perceptions. Oftentimes fear is learned, not inherent. Understanding it is key to overcoming it. Focus on what you can control. You can always control your judgments and inner response to external events. External things often seem more fearful when we feel we lack agency. Confront fearful situations methodically. Start small and build confidence through experience. Repeated exposure and survival builds nerve through wisdom. Shift focus from emotions to proper action. Anxiety can paralyze. Courage propels. Let reason, not uncontrolled emotion, dictate your behavior. Reframe obstacles as opportunity. Each challenging situation survived develops inner reserves of strength that make future difficulties less daunting. Embrace tests. Manage expectations. Often we fear the possibility of loss, rather than rationally assessing probabilities. Developing measured perspective reduces exaggerated worry. Find inspiring exemplars. Those who have walked fearful paths before and persevered can inspire through their resolute spirit, facing down difficulty. Value tranquility over turbulence. Reign over your inner state, rather than fixating on avoiding all external disorder. A calm, poised mind stays collected amid chaos. Fear is universal, but so is courage. Let's explore how you can cultivate fearlessness in your life. Acknowledge fear. The first step to fearlessness is acknowledging fear's presence. It's not about ignoring it, but recognizing it as a natural part of the human experience. Reframe perspectives. Shift your perspective on fear. Instead of seeing it as a roadblock, view it as a signpost, guiding you towards growth. Reframe your thoughts with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. Take incremental steps. Fearlessness is often built through action. Start small. Take incremental steps outside your comfort zone. Each small victory adds up to create a foundation of courage. Cultivate resilience. Resilience is your superpower. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Every stumble is a chance to rise even stronger. Remember, resilience breeds fearlessness. Surround yourself with support. Build a fearless tribe. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and uplift you. A supportive community can be a powerful catalyst for overcoming fears. So there you have it, fearless warriors. Acknowledge fear. Reframe perspectives. Take incremental steps. Cultivate resilience. And surround yourself with a supportive tribe. Fearlessness is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to fearlessness. Until next time, go out there and live your fearless story. Thanks for watching. If these Stoic philosophy helps you to become fearless, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more videos.